Hey guys and welcome back. Today we are taking a look at my emergency car kit. Let's check it out. Quick heads up, literally. That drone shot features my bald head shining brighter than our future. Stay focused guys. I actually want to mention that I always carry my EDC bag, which has a map, a multi-tool and other useful gear. I will link the video in the upper right corner. Ever get that feeling that if something goes wrong on the road, you would rather be over-prepared than under-equipped? Well, today I'm unpacking my full car emergency kit, including the strange, the essentials and the slightly over-the-top. Let's dig in. First up, the car keys. They got an AirTag so my wife can track me when I'm in the woods doing mysterious survival guy stuff. Also, they got a rescue me tool for cutting seat belts and smashing glass. Plastic work gloves to protect your hands from broken glass or debris. Zipper bag with rubber gloves, 3 pairs, because one is never enough when things get gross. Cleaning wipes. Yes, clear vision matters, even in the apocalypse. More cleaning wipes, because they were on sale. Heavy duty trash bag, multi-use. Tourniquet to stop severe bleeding, not just for battlefield medics. Israeli bandage, also for bleeding, with a self-applying design. Notebook and pen, for jotting down license plates or sketching while waiting for help. Hand sanitizer, obvious choice, especially post-2020. Old spare sunglasses, cheap but effective. Face mask, still handy. More rubber gloves, because sometimes you really don't want to touch what you find. High-vis vest, quick access, a must-have when stepping out on busy roads or highways. USB adapter for the cigarette lighter, standard dual USB-A plus a USB-C adapter on top, because I like options. A small leather sponge. Quality tie-down straps, originally for my fishing kayak but super useful for securing any cargo. Manuals, music CDs, in possibly the last place on earth with a working copy of Best of the 90s. And of course, I've got the holy trinity of paperwork: insurance documents, vehicle registration and my German car club membership card. Leather cloth, great for cleaning or just wiping tears after a bad day. 2 ice scrapers, one doubles as a parking disc. German efficiency at its finest. Wet wipes, sanity in a pouch. Paper towels and WD-40, clean and fix squeaky stuff, legendary combo. A light-duty foldable box for groceries, gear or spontaneous organizing. A heavy-duty foldable box for serious hauling. You could also pack your regrets in here. Self-defense umbrella. Looks innocent, feels like a steel pipe, went through rigorous testing. And you can even hear how robust it is when it opens. A 3-liter gasoline canister for when the gorge lies to you. A summer sleeping bag, lightweight but warm, Backup plan if I'm stuck overnight. High-vis vests for all passengers, including kids, because German law and safety matter. Duct tape fixes everything, even broken dreams. First aid kits. Expired and new. Once for training, once for saving lives. Toilet paper. No explanation needed. Big roll of trash bags. Multi-use. Rain poncho, makeshift tarp, or worst case, body disposal. Kidding. Mostly. 1 liter car-rated fire extinguisher. Crucial for car fires or YouTube comment sections. 12-volt compressor. Plugs into the lighter. Lightsaver for slow leaks. Jumper cables. Classic. Always ready to be a hero. Tow rope, because pushing is overrated. 16 watts foldable solar charger with 2 USB-A outlets. Charges phones off the grid, hangs nicely too. Emergency ration. 1 small ration pack, more about survival than flavor. Small gear bag. Let's open this in a minute. Military folding spade. Dig, defend, or use as a pedal. It's a beast. Mini emergency kit. Repurposed from an old first aid box. A bag that came with the car. We will open this in a second. Now, let's open this small and useful gear bag. VW flashlight multi-tool with a seatbelt cutter and other gadgets. Surprisingly decent. A compass. Analog navigation for real SHTF situations. Zip ties. Temporary fixes or mild restraint. You never know. Old promo pocket knife. Freebie, but still slices. Good backup. Two snap lights. Instant light and signaling. No batteries needed. Mini signal flag for oversized loads or attention-grabbing setups. Two carabiners. Useful for hanging the solar charger or other gear. USB-A to USB-C adapter. More power options. Redundancy is key. Also a USB-A to USB-C cable. High-vis cordage. Tie stuff, mark stuff, or trip wire for zombies. More wet wipes. A square key tool with bits and a bottle opener. If assembled, it can also be used to repel vampires, allegedly. A salty snack. Morale booster. Steel cup with cordage. Drink, boil, tie, multi-purpose. Standard trash bag. 2 Mylar blankets. Keeps you warm. Mini container with alcohol pads and band-aids. A large cleaning sponge. More tie-down straps. Another roll of toilet paper. Emergency ration. Very dry but very dense. 11 emergency water rations. Small, shelf-stable and life-saving. So yeah, that's my current full car emergency setup. Might look like overkill, but trust me, when things go wrong, this stuff becomes gold. Remember, even in Germany where ADAC has your bag, it only works if they can reach you. Out in the woods, in a snowstorm, or if society takes a turn, you're on your own. What I didn't show in this video are the car jack, warning triangle and the tire repair kit. All standard gear in Germany. What would you add or change? Let me know in the comments. And if you're curious what's in my EDC or bug out bag, those videos are already on the channel. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.